What's up everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to edit control center on your iPhone on iOS 18. So the first one, just go over here. As you can see, on the iOS 18 the control center is all about some kind of changes they have made. It looks really awesome when it comes to like this because it's completely different from this. Now if you wanted to make some kind of tweak changes over here, how to do this? The first one is all about, as you can see, when you go over here in the control center page like this, at the top left there is an option called plus icon which you have to tap. Just tap on this one, and when you tap on this one, I'm going to do it once again. When you tap on this one, this is how it looks like. So right now you can do three things. One, you can remove the unwanted things from here, or you can add the thing, as well as you can enlarge it, whatever if you need. So if you wanted to remove something, for example, I wanted to remove this timer over here. If I want to do this, what I need to do is I just need to tap on this minus icon over here. So as you can see, it is removed, right? So the next thing is, if I wanted to add it back, what I need to do is you just need to go over here. There is an option called add a control. Just tap on this one, and from here you can add it. So if I wanted to add something, you can add it. So I'm going to add this again once again. So it is over here right now. So this is how you can remove, and this is how you can add. The next thing, like I said, you can change the size of these toggles in the control center. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and you can change it according to your configuration. So to do this, just go over here and you can press like this. So right now, as you can see, the timer became so huge, and even I'm going to go for the torch as well. I'm going to make like this. So I can do this if I wanted to, or I can move this one, or from here to here I can change the positions of the toggles over here. I can do a lot of things at the same time. I wanted to make it like this, I can do like this. So you can make all kind of customization over here in the control center, and this is how you can completely make an edit. So once everything is done, what you need to do is you just need to tap over here like this, and you're fine with it. It's already done over here like default, and you're fine with it. And this is how you can edit the control center on the iOS 18 on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.